If you're stuck in the awkward phase and you already cut your hair thinking, maybe the wolf cut is not for me, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how to grow your hair and avoid the most awkward phase mistakes. Step 1. Hair length first. Before thinking about a wolf cut, you need 3 to 4 inches of hair length. Once you reach this length, stop trimming and let your hair grow naturally. Step 2. Don't cut for 6 months. For the next 6 months, do not cut your hair. Yes, you'll go through the awkward phase. Dry hair, frizzy texture, uneven shape. But this is normal and temporary. Step 3. Get a mullet. Instead of directly getting a wolf cut, get a mullet haircut like this. Why? Because in a few months, a mullet naturally turns into a wolf cut. Important. After the mullet, don't keep cutting your hair. Let it grow and settle. Step 4. Final wolf cut. After enough growth, go to your barber and say, add layers and texture. Don't reduce length. That's it. Now your wolf cut will actually suit you. Step 5. Awkward phase. If you follow these steps that I just told you, then your awkward phase will be shorter, less stressful, more manageable. If you want a detailed awkward phase guide, comment awkward phase, and I'll make a full video on it. Step 6. Don't do these mistakes while achieving a wolf cut. 1. Don't compare your hair with others. Everyone has a different hair type, so every wolf cut looks different. 2. Don't keep cutting your hair. Growth matters more than shape at this stage. 3. Don't skip hair care, most important. I've already made a detailed video on hair care based on hair type. Click the link is in the description to watch it. If you're confused about which wolf cut suits you, watch my video where I explained 9 different wolf cut styles. Subscribe to the channel because part 3 is where I'll show how to style your wolf cut the right way. Most people mess this part up.